Sairam ma'am.
Sairam, we will finish up our presentations today. I'm hoping I will not have to repeat things again and again. Let's see who's left for the presentation part. Okay, I'll start with Parth because he started the presentation but he did not finish it. So, Parth, are you in the meeting? Okay, just remind me when Parth joins in. In the meantime, Akshat, your oral test was left, so I'll start with that. Yes, Akshat, can you hear me?
Do once more presentation.
No, I do not have time. I have seen your presentation already. I just need to take your oral test. All right. So, what were the two parties involved in the Battle of Buxar?
East India Company and Nawab of Bengal.
Who was the Nawab of Bengal at that time?
Sirajuddin Daulah.
Okay. And name any two products for which Britishers came to India for trading. If you don't know the answer, just say you don't know the answer and don't waste anybody else's time.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. And what is filed? What is done first? An FIR is filed or an investigation is conducted?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
What happens first? An FIR is filed or an investigation is conducted?
Ma'am, FIR is filed, then the police was investigated the what was happened.
And what name any two factors that contribute to the formation of soil?
Ma'am, I don't know.
ठीक है. All right. Is Parth back here? Has he joined the meeting? Okay. Khushi? Is Khushi in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Present करो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my screen is visible.
Just give me 1 second. Yes, your screen is present.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Social subject, social science. Topic: Role of police in investigation of crime. The role of police in the act, it is the role of act policing to investigate report of crime offense. When you report a matter to police, then may ask you to provide a statement to them or record a conversation between you both about the insign. This is a record in your own words of what happened. You are entitled to receive a copy of your statement. Police during investigation. For children, police may make a video recording of their conversation with the police. When police receive a report, they may comes and investigate sometimes making a report to police not result in an investigation for many reasons. However, it is still important to tell police what happened because report of crime can form part of the information that help them identify issue with the community. Whether or not an investigation take place, police will provide you with a case reference number. The purpose of an investigation is for police to gather information and evidence that help them identify an offender to determine whether a crime offense has been communicated and or to help them decide what courage of action to take. Then are inventory and natural and investigation. The length of time the investigation take in dep- department on the number of things such as whether the offender has been identified, whether the offender can be found, and what physical or other evidence the police need. If there are any witness, police will speak to them and part of the investigation. If there is huge evidence, police will try to speak the person believed to have committed the crime. That person may decline to be interviewed. If that happens, police can still continue with the investigation and the collection of evidence. Once police have completed the investigation, then will decide what happened next, then will decide if charge should be laid and what those charges are. This is a police responsibility and not the responsibility of the victim. Then may decide to cause the alleged offender to provide with a summons or arrest them. A summons is an order to attend court at a date if the further should a person not turn up to court on that day, the court can issue a warrant for this person arrest. And arrest means that a person is taken into custody straight away in order to fact the court. The next day court does not sit on Sunday. In some circumstances, whether the alleged offender is a young person, someone under 18 years of age, police may refer the matter to restorative justice process. If an evidence led to charge being led and the accused person pledged not guilty, the police are responsible for repeating a brief of evidence. The brief contains all witness statement, offense evidence, and other matter that related to the charge. The brief is set to the office of the direct or public prosecutor DPP and to define team for review. The prosecutor is a person who will make the decision and to whether there is enough evidence to rescue a person, and if so, they will run the prosecution. The police have obligation to victim of crime under the governing principle of the Victim of Crime Act 1994. For more information about the obligation of the police, visit our justice assigns and their obligation section. About FIR. First information report, FIR. Once the FIR is registered, the police can bring their investigation into a crime. As per the law, it is constitutional for an offence is charge of police station to regard an FIR whether a person gives information about a conceivable offense, this information can be given to the police either of orally or in writing. The FIR usually mention the date, time, and place of the offense, details the base facts of the offense, including a description of the event. If no, the identify of the accused person and witness is also mentioned. The FIR also state the name and address of the complaint. Police can register an FIR if a perceived from signed by the complaint. The complaint also have a legal right to get a free copy of the FIR from the police. Article 22 of the Constitution and crime law guaranteed the following fundamental rights to ever arrested person. The right to be informed at the time of arrest of the officer for which the person is being arrested. The right to be represent before a magistrate within 24 hours of arrest. The right not to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or in custody. Conservations made in police custody cannot be used as evidence against the accused. A boy under 15 years of age and woman cannot be called to the police station only for questioning. The Supreme Court of India set specific requirement and produced that the police and other agencies have to follow for their arrest, detention, and interrogation of a person. They are known as the DK Basu guidelines, and they include the police officers who carry out the arrest of interrogation should wear clean, argued, and visible identification and name tag with their designation. A memo of arrest should be prepared at the time of arrest and should include the time and date of arrest. It should also be attended by at least one within who could be include a family member of the person arrested. The arrest memo should be counter signing by the person arrested. The person arrested, determined or being informed has right to inform a relative, friend or well-wisher. When a friend or relative live outside the district, the time, place of arrest and avenue of custody must be notified by police within 8 to 12 hours arrest. After. Thank you. And Siren to give me your precious time.
Okay, that was a very detailed presentation. I would like to ask you a few questions. Give me any two rights which are guaranteed under Article 22.
Ma'am, right to be ill-treated or tortured during arrest or in custody, right to be informed at the time of arrest the offense for which the person is being arrested.
Okay. Any two factors that affect the formation of soil?
Weather and climate.
Climate and?
Weather.
Okay. And name any one conventional source of energy.
Firewood and coal.
Okay. Who was the Nawab of Bengal during the Battle of Palasi?
Ma'am, one minute. Sarajit. Ma'am, Sarajit bin Dola.
ठीक है, fine. Yes, Parth, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Not yet. Yes, it's visible. Go ahead. Adyasha, be ready after this. It will be your turn.
When she said topic resources, ma'am, content, ma'am, introduction, what is a resource, features of resources, two important factors that can change substances into resources, types of resources. Introduction. Nature provides resources as assets to human beings. Water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable and textbook have something in common. These have all been used by us, so they have utility. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. What is a resource? Any element available to man. It can be used to fulfill man's need. Things become resources only when they have a value. Its use or utility gives it a value. Example: water, soil, animals, plants, etc. Features of resources: some resources have economic value, some do not. For example, metals may have an economic value, a beautiful landscape may not, but both are important and satisfy human needs. Some resources can become economically valuable with time. For example, home remedies have no commercial value today, but if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, they could become economically valuable. Two important factors that can change a substance into resources. Time and technology are two factors that can change a substance into resources. Both are related to the need of the people. People themselves are the most important resource. Their ideas, knowledge, invention, and discoveries that lead to the creation of more resources. Types of resources: natural resources, human made resources. Natural resources: resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Example: air, water, soil, mineral, etc. Classification of natural resources on the basis of development and use. Actual resource on the basis of origin, biotic resource, abiotic resource on the basis of exhaustibility, renewable resource, non-renewable resource on the basis of distribution, ubiquitous resource, localized resources on the basis of their level of development and use. Actual resource: those resources whose quantity is known. These resources are being used in the present. Example: rich deposits of coal in Ruhr region of Germany and petroleum in West Asia. Potential resources: those whose entire quantity may not be known and these are not being used at present. These could be used in future. The level of technology we have at present may not be advanced enough to utilize these resources. Example: the uranium found in Ladakh. On the basis of their origin. Biotic resources: the resources acquired from nature having life are called biotic resources. Example: human beings, plants, and animals. abiotic resources. The substances made of non-living things are called abiotic resources. Example, soil, minerals, rocks, water, etc. On the basis of exhaustibility, renewable resources. The resources that can be recycled or reproduced and replenished quickly are called renewable resources. Example, solar energy, wind energy, etc. Non-renewable resources. The resources that cannot be recycled or replenished and get exhausted after their use are called non-renewable resources. Example, coal and fossil fuel. On the basis of their origin, biotic resources. The resources acquired from nature having life are called biotic resources. Example, human beings, plants and animals. Abiotic resources. The substances made of non-living things are called abiotic resources. Example, soil, mineral, rocks, water, etc. Wait. On the human-made resources, natural substances become resources only when their original form has been changed. Iron ore was not a resource until people learned to extract iron from it. People use natural resources to make building, bridges, roads, machinery and vehicles. These are known as human-made resources. Technology is also a human-made resource. Human resources. Human beings are special resources. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources. People have the quality of knowledge, skill, and technology to do so. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource, improving the quality of people's scale so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resources development. Conserving resources, using resources carefully and giving them time to renewed is called resource conservation. Sustainable development, economic development achieved without compromising with environment. Needs of future generation should be kept in mind. Each person can contribute by reducing consumption, recycling and reusing things, increase use of renewable resource, making judicious use of limited resource. Knowledge cloud. Patent. It means the exclusive right over any idea or invention. Technology. It is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. Stock of resources. It is the amount of resources available for use. Thank you.
Okay, there are some questions for you, Parth. Give me an example of one potential resource.
Ma'am,
Parth, can
please
you hear
repeat
me?
the question.
Can you please
Ma'am,
repeat?
ma'am, please repeat the question.
An example of a potential resource.
Ma'am, uranium.
Okay, and any three conventional sources of energy.
Ma'am, conventional.
Yes.
Ma'am,
अपना माइक अनम्यूट पे रखो जब तक तुम्हारा चल रहा है भाई.
okay, ma'am.
बताओ.
Ma'am, Ma'am, solar energy,
और
tidal energy.
कन्वेंशनल की बात हो रही है.
Ma'am, firewood and coal.
Okay. Next, any one state where iron ore is found?
Ma'am, iron ore.
Yes.
Ma'am, Jharkhand.
Any two material which were imported by the Britishers before they annexed India. Sorry, before they
Ma'am,
conquered. Yes,
ma'am, cotton, textile.
कॉटन ही टेक्सटाइल होता है.
Yes, ma'am. Cotton textile
Cotton is a
and
type of textile. Okay. Yes, next Adyasha. Go ahead.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible. You may begin.
History. The doctrine of lapse. The doctrine of lapse was an annexation policy followed widely by Lord Dalhousie when he was India's Governor General from 1848 to 1856. It was used as an annexation policy for the extension of the British paramountcy. Now, this policy was introduced by Lord Dalhousie, who was India's Governor General, and this policy was used for the extension of the British paramountcy. Now, what was the British paramountcy? It was introduced by Lord Hastings, who was Governor General of India from 1813 to 1823, and this new policy claimed that the company was the supreme power among all the Indian states. So, in order to protect its interest, it was justified that it could annex or threaten to annex any Indian state. For the extension of their interest, this policy was introduced. The doctrine of lapse. This doctrine stated that any princely state under the vassalage of the company will annex the territory if failed to produce and hire. The doctrine of lapse was one of the underlying reasons for the revolt of 1857. Now, this policy stated that any princely state or the state which were ruled by the kings, which was under the vassalage of the company, will annex its territory. The company will annex the territory if the king failed to produce and hire. And this policy was one of the underlying reasons for the revolt of 1857. Now, before the introduction of this doctrine, the princely states had a ritualized method of adoption practiced for centuries. As we all know, India is a great country for its rituals and traditional practices. They also had some ritualized method for the adoption of the hire. Now, this was as follows. If the ruler died before adopting or giving a hire, one of his widows could adopt a hire who would immediately accede to the throne. Now, if the king died before adopting or producing an hire, one of his wives could adopt a hire who would immediately accede to the throne, and the adoptee which was adopted would cut all the ties with his birth family. The adoptee will have no relationship to the family where he was born. And due to this doctrine of lapse, this practice, the ritualized practice, was completely stopped. The doctrine of lapse was introduced during the 1840s. Now, these are the names of some princely states annexed by the doctrine of lapse. The first states were Jaintia in 1803, Kozhikode annexed in 1806, Guler 1813, Kannanur 1819, followed by Kittur 1824, Kutlehar 1825, Kodagu 1834, Kangra 1846, Satara 1848, Jaipur 1849, as well as Sambalpur 1849, Bhagat 1850, Udaipur 1852, Jhansi 1853, Nagpur 1854. Now with this I conclude my slide. Thank you.
Okay, so what were the other policies used by Britishers to annex territories?
Ma'am, there was a policy known as the uh, subsidiary alliance policy. If the British provided the kings with their own army for the protection of the king. Now, for this, the kings had to pay them uh, some money, which was 5 lakhs. And if they failed to pay that, the British would take a small part of their territory.
Okay, and give me any two non-conventional sources of energy.
Tidal energy and solar energy.
Is India a secular country, true or false?
True.
Okay, fine. So this concludes the tests of everyone. But there are few people who are left here in the list. I'll just take the names. अगर उनमें से कोई participate करना चाहता है, they can do that. They will be awarded lesser marks, but they'll be given a chance. Okay, there seems to be one person left in the list. That is Devang, जिसको chance मिला था.
Bye.
Yes, ma'am.
रुक जाओ. I'm just repeating the name. देवांग तुम अपना presentation तैयार रखो. I'm just taking the names. There is गिरधर, कृष्णा, मानव, मुदित, नैतिक, नेहा, पिंकी, पूर्ति, प्रिंस, रेहान, ऋषिका, शिवानी, प्रणव, अनुष्का, निकिता. Among these, Rehan wants to present, Naitik wants to present, Girdhar wants to present. ठीक है, पहले अभी देवांग का प्रेजेंटेशन देख लेते हैं. अगर टाइम बचता है तो आई विल स्टार्ट विद यू थ्री. यस देवांग, गो अहेड. Peter, maybe your mic is on mute because I can't hear you.
Ma'am?
Yes, now I can hear you. Now restart your presentation.
Okay, ma'am. Resource. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resources. Types of resource. Natural resources, human-made resources, human resources. Natural resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Example, air, water, coal, petroleum. Human-made resources. Resources that are drawn by human with much modification are called human-made resource. Example: machinery, vehicle, bridges, road. Human resources. People can make best use of natural resource, nature to create more resources when they have knowledge, skill, and the technology to do so. That is why human beings are a special resource. Example: education and health. Actual and potential resource. Actual resource are whose resource those quantity is known. Example: coal and petroleum. Potential resource are those entire quantity may not be known and these are not being used at present. Example: uranium found in Ladakh. Uh, Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed, are not affected by such as uh, such as solar and wind energy. Non-renewable resources are those have limit stock. Once the stock is exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed, such as coal and petroleum. Resource conservation: using resource carefully and giving them time to get renewed, called resource conservation. Sustainable development: balancing the resource and also conserve them for future, called sustainable development. Thank you and Sairam.
Okay, Devang, give me an example of a ubiquitous resource.
Ubiquitous.
Yes,
Coal.
can you hear me?
Yes. Coal.
Okay, and give me an example of a localized resource.
Firewood.
Okay, who was the ruler of Mysore during the Third Anglo-Mysore War?
Tipu Sultan.
And Jhansi was annexed by one particular policy. What was the name of that policy?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, and name the three level of judiciary in India.
Supreme Court, Higher Court, and ma'am, look, third, ma'am, local court.
ठीक है. Okay. So we still have a little time left. Yes, Naitik, you may present.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is my screen is visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Om Shri Sai Ram. My topic is human resources. Human resources is the set of the people who make up the workforce of any organization, business sectors, industries, or economy. A narrow concept is human capital, the knowledge which the individual embodies. Similar terms include manpower, labor, personnel associated for similar people. Distribution of population. The way in which people are spread across a given area is known as population distribution. Geographical study population distribution pattern at different scale, local, regions, national, and global. A junction in carrier pattern of population distribution lead it to be universal. Dis- Dynasty of population. Population dynasty is a measurement of population per unit area of expansion unit value. It is a quantity of type number. Dynasty is frequently applied to living organism, most of the time to human. It is a key geographical term. Factor affecting distribution of population. Geographical factors. Trop- Topography. People always perform to live on plain rate than mountain and pattern because these areas are suitable for farming, manufac- manufacturing, and survival activities. Climate. People usually avoid extreme climate that are very hot or very cold, like Sahara Desert, polar region of Russia, and Antarctica. Soil. Fertile soil provides suitable lands for agriculture. Fertile plains such as Ganga and Brahmaputra in India, Angle in Chennai, and the Nile in it are dynasty population. Water. People perform to live in the area where fresh water is easily available. The river whales of the world are dynasty population when desert have SPR populated. Mineral. Area with mineral deposit are more populated. Diamonds mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East lead to selecting of people in these areas. Social areas of better housing, education, and health facilities are more densely populated. A cultural. People with regions or culture signification acts. Google acts. People wearing Jerusalems and vectors cities are some examples. Population change. Population geography reacted spectals vectings in the distribution composition, migrations and growth of population to the adjacent population. Geography involved demography in geography precipitative it force on the characteristics of population distribution that change in the spatial context. Pattern of population change. Rate of population growth vary across the world of through the world. Total population is rising rapidly. Not all countries are expressing these growth. Some countries like Kenya have a high population growth rate. They have both high British rate and death rate. Now with improving health care, death rate having failed, but birth rate is still remaining high, leading to high growth rate in other cities like United Kingdom. Population growth is growing following become of growth, low death and low birth rate. Population compose. Population compose is the depiction of population according to characteristics such as age and sex. These date after compare over time using population. Thank you.
Okay, Sunatik, we are already over time, so I will take your oral test in the next class. Rehan and Girdhar, next class में आते हो तो present कर पाओगे, नहीं आओगे 0 दे दिया जाएगा, उसके आगे तुम्हें chance नहीं मिलेगा. So that will be all for today. Thank you and Saira.
Saira ma'am.
Saira ma'am.